Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss about whether your enrollment certificate if expiring in the corona period will be validated or invalidated, and what is the further process for the enrollment certificate registration. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. So friends, what will be happening if your enrollment certificate is expiring on in between the corona period, because there was no all India bar exam in this at that time, and also you were not allowed as all the offices were shut because of the corona period and because the government has restricted the lockdown. So what will happen to your enrollment certificate, whether you can continue practice, whether your practice will be break, whether there will be a halt, all those questions we are going to clarify today. So here we can see that there is a bar council update which is given on their website, in which it is clearly mentioned that period from 24 March 2020 till 31st March 2021 shall be exempted from being counted within the 2-year time period after enrollment for passing the All India Bar exam, and all similarly placed candidates time period of 2 years expiring during such time shall continue to remain in practice. That means if your enrollment certificate is expiring on 24th of March, 25th of March and subsequently till 31st of March, then your enrollment certificate is not invalidated, means you can continue practice even after that. But for people whose period is falling before 23rd of March, their enrollment gets stuck. They will not be their enrollment will not be continued. But it is only the relaxation is only given from 24th of March 2020. There is a period of lockdown till 31st of March 2021 only. So all this 1 year gap, approximately 1 year gap, is considered as an exemption, one time exemption for all those candidates whose enrollment certificate is expiring on such dates. What is a clear notification? It is the notification was given wide item number 353 2020 by the extract. This was the extract of the minutes of the meeting of General Council of the Bar Council of India held on 9th of August 2020. In the last line, it is very clearly mentioned that furthermore, by the same resolution, the issue of conducting AIB by online mode has been considered, and after through thorough discussion and deliberation, after taking the view of all the honourable members, it was considered named fit that it would not be feasible to conduct AIBE by online mode. The request has been rejected on the ground that we cannot lose sight of the fact that India is a vast country. 90-95%, that is maximum percentage of lawyers in India, do not stay in metro cities or even in class 1 cities. Maximum advocates stay in semi-urban, semi-rural and rural places, even in remote areas. And furthermore, even many urban cities have not yet connectivity issues. Even metro face internet speed and connectivity issues sometimes. It has been observed and resolved that internet connectivity is not uniform throughout the country, and therefore it would not be possible or feasible for all the candidates to give the exam by an online mode. And furthermore, since the time period of approximately of 1 year from 24th of March 2020 to 31st March 2021 is exempted from being counted within the period of 2 years from the date of enrollment to clear/pass the AIB, no one shall be prejudiced, and whomsoever term of 2 years shall from enrollment was expiring with effect from 24th March 2020 to 31st March 2021 shall continue to remain in practice during such period. Hence, all those candidates whose enrollment is expiring from 24th of March till 31st of March 2021 and they were not able to clear the AIBE exam within such time, they can continue the practice till 31st of March 2021. But please make note that before 31st of March 2021, if you are not able to clear the AIB exam, then starting from 1st of April 2021, your enrollment certificate stands to be hold, means stands to be inactive. It cannot be, it will be invalidated. Your enrollment certificate will stands expired on 1st April 2021 onwards. Means you might have passed the exam, or your dates must be falling after that only. So if that is a scene, then you can continue the practice. Otherwise, if you are falling in the time period of 24 to March 2022, 31st March 2021, then you can continue the practice till 31st of March 2021, provided you must have cleared the All India Bar examination. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.